Gentlemen, you're probably wondering why I've gathered you here together. Is it to discuss finally building the river table? No, Charles, we're still not doing a river table. But with a live edge. Is it to strategize about the YouTube biorhythm thing? First, I just wanted to point out that I was the first to comment here. Guys, we're here to talk about this year's Halloween video. This is the 10th year we've been making these. Nobody watches those. I agree with Matt on this one. We lose subscribers every time we post a Halloween video. Well, sort of. It used to be different before people were offended by everything. Yeah, I miss the old Steve. And I'm just a little uncomfortable with anything new. That's not what I'm talking about. I say we just crank out a live edge concrete and resin river coffee table and be done with it. Ah, with steel trim. That's YouTube money in the bank. Look, people aren't interested in Halloween videos, but I still like to make them, so I say we just go full steam ahead. But we really shouldn't offend anybody. Last year's Ouija board triggered more people than any project ever. He's right, you know. That freaked out more people than when you cut off your own finger and sawed off your hand. You built your own coffin and hardly anybody complained. You even went insane once. You made a project out of human guts. You've done jump scares galore. You made Jason's machete, a weapon literally designed to kill people. Not a peep. Well, people do love to watch guys make weapons, but the Ouija board, well, that just freaked people out. We didn't stop to consider the superstitious community. But it's just a trademarked hunk of wood popularized by Hollywood. Yeah, seriously, I was most scared that we were gonna get a cease and desist from the Hasbro toy company. Maybe the real terror is in Hollywood. Okay, so isn't that the point of Halloween? To try to scare people and maybe make them a little uncomfortable? And I say if nobody's gonna watch this video anyway, let's just go for it and make something utterly harmless but scary. You mean like my local politician? I feel like this happens every year. Sure is quiet in here. You could almost hear a pin drop, it's so quiet. I sure hope nothing loud happens. The last thing I would need right now is to be scared. And there we go. Oh boy, a jump scare. The power of wood compels you. Well, you couldn't be bothered to put on a costume this year? Nobody's gonna watch this. Well, that's true. But seriously, why are you working in the dark? You've got like 3 billion LEDs in here. And how about letting a little fresh air in, huh? It's like stuffy in here. Ugh.